Hello, hello, my dear viewers, my well-wishers, and those who are taking preparation for Madhyamik examination, CBSE, ICSE, and ISC are being advised to follow this video without skipping a single line or a word. It is going to be a unique video on how to prepare Amla candy or Indian gooseberry candy. Okay, it is actually a flow chart and it is very interesting to write because first of all I want to give you some tips. You will have to use some connectors like first, then, after this, finally, etc. step by step, and you must use present indefinite tense and passive voice. Just remember, my dear students, you must use present indefinite tense and passive voice. That's all. And use the connectors like first, then, next, after this, finally, etc. Okay. So I have picked up for your examination how to write a flow chart. And tonight, I have selected how to prepare Amla candy, the English meaning of which Indian gooseberry, that is Indian gooseberry candy or Amloki candy. Clear? You see that there must be in all the paragraphs, it is only for 10 marks, and in almost all the paragraphs, while you are writing a paragraph or a flow chart, you must give an introductory sentence. That is the first sentence that should be attractive. Amla candy is a highly nutritious, immune boosting preparation. Highly nutritious, immune boosting preparation. First of all, it is the adverbial and sentence connector. First of all, a few fresh amlaki or Indian gooseberry are bought from market, and they are, you see that subject plus be verb, am is are plus past participle of the finite verb, and they are washed in clean water. Okay. After this, the amlakis are boiled for about 30 minutes in a hot water in a pan. You must boil the fruits for about 30 minutes. Okay. And after boiling, the water is drained. There must not be any water, not a single drop of water in your boiled amla. Okay. The water is drained and the fruits are allowed to cool. The fruits are allowed to cool. Okay. In the meantime is also an adverbial, but it is a sentence connector. In the meantime or meanwhile, a little quantity of cumin seeds, that is jeera. Cumin seeds means jeera. Coriander, that is dhania. 2 dried red chilies, 2 dried red chilies, two bay leaves, that is tejpata, two bay leaves, and fennel seeds, that is mori. Fennel seeds are fried in a pot without any oil. Without mixing any oil, you must fry these elements, these ingredients in a pan or a cauldron. Okay. Then you see that I have used then. Here in the meantime, first of all, etc. Then a cauldron is placed, sorry, and fennel seeds are fried in a pot without any oil. Without fried in a pot without any oil, sorry. And they are, that is the fried ingredients, and they are turned into dust in a grinder, that is mixer and grinder. All these ingredients like jeera, dhania, bay leaves, okay, red chilies, etc. are ground in a grinder or a mixer. Okay. Then a cauldron is placed on an oven with medium flame, not high flame. With medium flame, a cauldron is placed. You see that it is the verb and the past participle form of the finite verb. Placed on an oven with medium flame, and a little quantity of mustard oil is taken in it. Mustard oil is taken in it. The seedless amla pieces, and after boiling you must remove the seeds from the amlas. The seedless amla pieces are taken into cauldron. The seedless amla pieces are taken into cauldron, and after it the required quantity of jaggery. Jaggery means good. Jaggery is added to it. Finally, the spices are added to it for flavor. The dust spices are added to the hot preparation for flavor. Now you may expose the mixture into the sunlight, and then you may preserve it into a glass jar. Thanking all of you. Good night. And you have learned how to prepare amla candy, that is very nutritious and immune boosting preparation. Stay safe, and if you learn something from this, that is how to write a preparation or flowchart, you must subscribe my channel, and Easy Step to English Grammar. Thanking all of you. Good night.